Hi guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this butter chicken at home just like restaurant style. So butter chicken or murg makhani is a curry of chicken in a spiced tomato, butter and cream sauce. The best thing about this curry is the creamy gravy. Did you know guys, it is actually one of the most popular curry in the world. So if you want to know how to make this butter chicken curry the best and the easiest way, then keep on watching. I always prefer to have any meat on the bone just because they are more juicy and more tastier. So that's why I'm using chicken legs, and here I've got 2 kilos of chicken legs and they are cut into 3 pieces. I've washed it really well about 3 to 4 times. Now I'm going to strain the chicken. If you guys don't like chicken on the bone, then you can definitely go for chicken breast instead. Now I'm going to transfer the meat in a bowl and add some spices here to marinate the chicken. So 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now I'm just going to combine all the ingredients really well with the chicken. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to check out my other recipes as well. My mixing is done, so now let's take a look at the chicken pieces. As you can see, all the spices is coated really well on the chicken. So now let's start cooking. In a preheated large frying pan, add about 50 grams of butter or ghee. Once it's melted, then gradually add the chicken pieces one at a time. Then you'll need to cook for about 3 minutes on each side until you get this perfect golden brown color. It doesn't have to be this brown, it can be a bit more lighter as well. As long as you get that grilled texture from outside and a bit of brown, that's all you need. So it's been about 6 minutes. As you can see, all the chicken pieces are perfectly done, so let's take them out from here and keep it aside. Oh my days, these babies are looking so good already, but it's not cooked yet, so let's continue with the cooking process. In the same preheated pan, add another 50 grams of butter, then add 2 medium chopped onions and cook until it's softened a bit. To make your life easier guys, I have listed the ingredients and the measurements in my description box below. Now I'm going to add 4 green chilies here, but if you want yours more spicier, then go ahead with more chilies. Then I'm going to add a handful of cashew nuts. Just going to give it a quick mix just to make sure that it's not burning from the bottom. Next, add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. You guys have to bear this in mind because it's really important that it doesn't get burnt, so you need to make sure that you stir it quite often. Anyways, the last thing to add in here is 2 medium chopped tomatoes. Now saute this for a few more minutes and then it'll be ready to go in a food processor for fine paste. If you guys enjoy watching my recipes, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So there you go, my paste is ready. If you want your gravy to be super smooth, then you need to strain it out. Mine is perfectly fine, so I'm really happy with it. Now let's pour it into the same pan. Have you guys noticed that I am reusing the pan, which is a really good thing about this recipe because you're not using so many pans and you're not making a big mess everywhere. Now I'm going to add egg yellow food color in here, about 1/4 teaspoon. Then you will need to stir constantly because it's really important that it doesn't get burned from the bottom, and make sure it's on slow flame. So I've been cooking this paste for about last 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces in here. Okay, so now let's give it a nice mix, and then I'm going to put the lid on and cook on slow flame for about 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let's open the lid and I'm just going to give it a quick mix just to make sure that it's not burning. Next, I'm going to add about 200 grams of double cream in here. Just to be clear guys, I'm not sponsored for any of the brands that I'm using in this video. Let's combine the double cream and the chicken evenly. This recipe is actually quite simple and it's that delicious that's going to blow your mind away. And I'm not even joking, I could actually eat this all week long and I will not get bored. So I highly recommend for you to try this recipe at home, and it's going to be definitely worth it. Anyways, let's put the lid back on and let it simmer for another 10 minutes on slow flame. Again, I'm just going to check and make sure it's not burning. It's quite important because this gravy is very thick, so it can get burnt easily, so you do have to be careful. Now let's put the lid back on for last time and let it simmer for just 5 minutes more. Now check this out guys, this butter chicken is ready to be served and it looks so tasty. I can't wait to dig into it. I have a few other chicken curry recipes on my channel. So one of them is a chicken korma recipe, which is very similar to this. The link will be at the top right hand corner. And I also have a chicken curry with potatoes, so definitely check it out. Now you guys actually know that this recipe is super simple to make, so definitely give it a go, because if you actually follow the step-by-step directions, you will have the most delicious butter chicken at home. So I made this super easy and super tasty pulao rice, and I'm going to have my butter chicken with that. If you guys want to check out the recipe, I will leave the link at the top right hand corner. You can also have this with naan, chapati and even paratha. Everything just goes perfect with it. I really wish that I could let you taste it through the screen, but obviously it's not possible. But I promise you, this chicken gravy is so delicious, it's out of the world. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also press the bell icon to be notified for new recipes. If you want to find out more about me, then follow me on social media so we can stay connected. Here's some more recipes for you guys. Take care and stay safe.